Yam Goulash is a classic yam porridge that I use to substitute our everyday Sunday rice. There's not much difference between yam porridge and yam goulash. It's just that you add a little twist to it, a little spice to it. Yes, guys. It's called yam goulash. Yes, yam goulash, and it's very, very delicious and yummy. So, guys, let me take you through the recipe of my yam goulash. So these are the recipe that we'll be using for our yam goulash. Here we have our sweet corn. There's a secret of our yam goulash. We have our onion. We're using one onion. We have our crayfish. We have our dry fish, dry catfish, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. We have some gizzard that will be dicing. We have a palm oil, and we also have a curry leaf. Just sprinkle some curry leaf and have blended tomatoes and pepper puree. So guys, you get your pot, you preheat your pot, and then you pour some amount of oil into the pot. Add your onion to the oil, the diced onion, add it to the oil, and then you stir together. Then you pour in your tomato and pepper puree into your pot. Stir everything together. Then you add your gizzard. These are diced gizzard. You add your gizzard to the pot. To your oil, you add your dry fish as well. So guys, we want to cook our yam. So you can cut your yam to any size that you want. You see my cube? It could be bigger than mine. It could be smaller than mine, to your desired size. So you pour in your yam to the water. Then this is the sauce we just made now. You pour in the sauce, the tomato sauce. You pour your crayfish into it. You pour some curry powder into it, and then you pour some thyme. I love using thyme a lot. You just mix everything together, stir everything together, and then you add some seasoning cube into the yam. Mix everything together. Guys, our yam is coming up. Our yam goulash. Add some salt for taste. Our yam goulash is coming up. We had some blended chili pepper just to give you that chili pepper taste. So now we want to put our secret. Why it's called yam goulash? That's the reason why it's called yam goulash. Our sweet corn, our diced red pepper, our diced bell green pepper, and here's some curry leaf that will just sprinkle to it to give it some taste and to make it look beautiful. So this is the reason why it's called yam goulash, because of those spices I put into it. Our normal yam porridge is just the yam, the oil, the tomatoes puree. But this one, I told you, just a little twist. And this is the twist I'm talking about. The sweet corn, the diced red pepper, the bell red pepper, the diced green bell pepper, and our curry powder to give you that taste. Guys, yam goulash is ready. Yeah, yam goulash is ready. If you like this recipe, to try it at home and then comment down below. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my TV. More videos of our cooking will be coming your way. I love you guys.